Now that you're part of mdhub, I'm going to show you how to create your first patient and have your first session. To create your first patient, simply select Add Patient. Then add your patient's name, their gender, their ethnicity, and their age. And then click on Create and Continue. Now you created your first patient profile. Once you're ready to have your first session, simply select Start Recording, select whether it's a live session or a dictation, and choose the right template you would like to use. Given that this is mine and John's first session, I'm going to use the Psychiatry Intake Template. Once you've selected all of that, the last thing to do is select whether you're having a session with headphones or without headphones. If I'm having a session with headphones, I'm going to click on With Headphones and select the tab I want to share the audio from. So the tab where I'm seeing and having my session with John in. In this case, that would be Zoom. Now, if I change my mind and I'm actually having my session without headphones, I can click Cancel and simply select Without Headphones. Once you've selected either of the options, your session starts, and you can see mdhub picking up your voice and that of John's. Now, during the session, you have the opportunity to add additional notes for anything that you want to highlight and have stand out, or anything you did not want to verbalize throughout the session. Once you're done, you can simply select Finish Recording, and your note will be generated.